Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to spot for the latest in audio and tech gear. Today, we're diving deep into the powerhouse that is the Kicker 48TRTP122 12-inch thin down-firing subwoofer with passive radiator enclosure. If you've been looking for big, deep bass in a compact, space-saving design, this is a serious contender that delivers performance without eating up your cargo space. Let's start with the build. This 12-inch down-firing woofer comes in a rugged, thin-profile enclosure that's perfect for trucks, SUVs, and tight installations. The down-firing design protects the cone from damage while allowing you to stack gear on top, ideal for anyone who wants great bass without sacrificing utility. Inside, you get a 2-ohm impedance driver paired with a passive radiator. That radiator acts like a second woofer, boosting output and extending the bass response without needing a bigger box. This means you get a richer, more resonant low end without extra amplification strain. The woofer cone is made from injection-molded polypropylene with Santoprene surround for durability and flexibility. This allows the sub to handle the heat and vibration of daily use while delivering tight, accurate bass. The enclosure is wrapped in carpet for a sleek, OEM-style look that blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. Power handling is impressive, 300 watts RMS and up to 600 watts peak, so it pairs beautifully with a high-quality mono amp. The sensitivity is tuned for efficiency, meaning you'll feel the bass even at moderate volume. Whether you're into hip-hop, EDM, rock, or movie soundtracks in your car, the Kicker 48TRTP122 hits hard and clean. You'll hear, and feel, those low notes that stock systems just can't reproduce. If you're serious about upgrading your ride's audio with a sub that's compact, tough, and ready to shake things up, the Kicker 48TRTP122 is worth every penny. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews.